Most 3D printers look impressive on paper, but some can turn into an expensive headache once you actually start printing. We tested 5 of the biggest options for 2026, and one of them completely changed our expectations. Let's find out which 3D printer deserves the #1 spot. At number 5, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is the kind of printer that makes getting started with 3D printing surprisingly simple. If you're new to the hobby, this is one of the machines that requires very little trial and error before producing usable prints. During setup, most of the important calibration work was handled automatically. Bed leveling, Z offset adjustment, flow calibration, and first layer preparation all happened with minimal input from us. That makes a noticeable difference when you simply want to load filament and start creating instead of spending time tuning the machine. The A1 Mini also impressed us with its extrusion consistency. Its active flow rate compensation continuously adjusts material flow, helping maintain clean surfaces and consistent layers when the model changes shape. Then there's the AMS light system. With support for up to 4 filaments, it opens the door to multicolor prints without requiring a complicated workflow. We tried logos, lettering, and color-changing sections, and filament transitions were handled reliably. The compact size is another advantage. It doesn't dominate a workspace, and its relatively low operating noise makes it comfortable for a home office or bedroom setup. Of course, the smaller build area limits what you can physically print, but if you prioritize simplicity, automation, multicolor capability, and dependable everyday performance, the A1 Mini Combo is an extremely easy printer to recommend. Moving up the list, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo takes a more performance-focused approach. This printer is aimed at users who want high-speed printing without giving up material flexibility. Its Core XY architecture provides a strong foundation for fast movement, and the machine is capable of reaching speeds around 600 millimeters per second under the right conditions. In our testing, it remains surprisingly controlled while printing larger and more complicated models. The 320 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end is another major advantage. It gives the Kobra S1 considerably more flexibility than basic entry-level printers, allowing it to work with materials beyond standard PLA. We also found it capable of handling demanding materials, such as nylon and TPU, when properly configured. The multi-material system adds another layer of versatility. The AMS Pro setup can accommodate multiple spools and includes moisture management, which becomes especially useful with filaments that absorb humidity easily. Automatic vibration compensation and input shaping also helped keep high-speed prints looking cleaner. On our test models, these systems reduced visible ringing and improved the appearance of corners and curved sections. There are still some practical considerations, particularly if you plan to expand your multicolor setup or need more storage for filament. But overall, the Kobra S1 Combo offers a strong combination of speed, automation, and material compatibility that makes it a compelling mid-range choice. At number 3, Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. If your priority is detail rather than sheer build size, the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra deserves a very close look. This is a resin printer built around a 10-inch 16K monochrome LCD, and the level of detail it can reproduce is where this machine really separates itself. We used it for miniature-style models, decorative pieces, and detailed technical components, and tiny surface features remained remarkably well-defined. The COB light source and Fresnel lens arrangement help provide consistent exposure across the build area. That matters because uneven illumination can lead to differences in detail between the center and edges of a build plate. Speed is another area where the Saturn 4 Ultra has improved significantly over older resin printers. Its tilt-release system allows prints to separate from the release film more efficiently, helping the machine reach speeds of up to 150 millimeters per hour in suitable conditions. We also found the intelligent monitoring features useful. The integrated camera can watch the printing process and identify certain problems, while resin heating helps maintain more consistent performance when temperatures drop. The biggest catch is something every resin printer buyer needs to understand. Printing is only part of the process. Washing and curing are still necessary, and resin handling requires more cleanup than filament printing. But if maximum detail is your priority, the Saturn IV Ultra remains one of the strongest options in this lineup. At number 2, we're looking at a printer designed for users who need significantly more space and capability. The Creality K2+ combo is a much larger machine, and that difference becomes obvious when you start printing full-size projects. Instead of splitting large objects into several sections, the generous build volume allows many models to be produced in a single piece. Despite its size, the K2 Plus is built for speed, with print speeds reaching up to 600 millimeters per second. More importantly, it combines that speed with a rigid motion system designed to maintain accuracy during demanding movements. The dual Z-axis system and linear rod arrangement provide additional stability, while the heated chamber makes the machine better suited for materials that are more difficult to print than standard PLA. We tested larger and taller models and paid particular attention to warping and layer separation. With appropriate settings, the heated environment helped maintain consistent results with engineering-oriented materials. Multicolor printing is another major selling point. With the appropriate expansion, the system can support up to 16 filament spools, making it possible to tackle complex multicolor projects without constantly changing material by hand. The main downside is size. This is not a printer you casually place on a small desk, and chamber preheating can take some time depending on the material. But if you need serious build capacity, advanced materials, and extensive multi-material capability, the K2 Plus combo is a machine built for much more demanding projects. And taking our number 1 spot is the Creality K1SE because it delivers the most balanced combination of speed, simplicity, and everyday usability in this lineup. The K1SE uses a Core XY design and can reach speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, giving it the performance needed for rapid prototyping and everyday printing. What impressed us most, though, was how well it maintained print quality while moving quickly. Complex shapes, sharp corners, curves, and detailed surfaces all came out consistently when the printer was properly configured. Its direct drive extrusion system also gives it the flexibility to work with a broad selection of filaments, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and flexible TPU. The tri-metal nozzle is particularly useful for users who want to experiment with more abrasive materials. That makes the printer more appealing for advanced filament choices, including carbon fiber reinforced blends. Another major strength is automation. Automatic leveling, calibration, and resonance compensation take much of the traditional setup work out of the equation. For someone who wants to spend more time designing and less time adjusting the printer, that's a major advantage. The AI-assisted monitoring system adds another layer of protection by watching for certain print problems and alerting the user when something goes wrong. There's also a carbon filtration system and a quieter operating mode for users printing in shared spaces. No printer is perfect, but the K1SE came closest to delivering the complete package in our comparison. It combines fast printing, strong material compatibility, useful automation, and a relatively straightforward user experience. And that balance is exactly why it takes the number 1 position on our list for 2026. And that's our top 5 3D printers for 2026. Whether you want speed, detail, versatility, or simplicity, there's a clear winner for every type of maker. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews.